Okay, so people wanted me to sharpen these knives. We're gonna do this Victorinox chef knife. It is very dull. Why is it not working? Cut, push a bit harder, man. It doesn't work, I don't know, let's see. Ha! The blade is very dull. Almost round. Yeah. There's your problem right there. It is very, very dull. Okay, let's do something about it. Let's get to work. Got the little Toolcker, got the knife, got the clamp, put it in the clamp there. I'm just checking to see if everything's straight. Everything seems to be straight. Tighten the clamp, get busy. Okay, everything's nice and tight. And now I'm just checking everything. Yeah. Get the angle quickly, and obviously I didn't get to see it was okay now. Such a weird angle. Luckily I recorded it 19.5. I'm doing it a bit steeper just to get a bit of longevity on these blades. There we go. Give it a nice, push a bit faster. These knives go very quick. They're so thin. There's a little bit of a bird. Let's flip it around. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get now. And it's just some feel for the bird. It seems to be doing its thing. Just a few more. I can actually see it run there. Yeah. Yep, that seems to be it. The bar was raised. Just a little soft to make sure we soften that up a bit. Yep, done. Let's swap over. Now we're gonna put the Trizac. That was a 120 ceramic that we did there. The 320 Trizac, A35, A65, sorry. Just a few passes on these ones. Just get it done. Slightly tilt the handle up a bit just so that the belt doesn't catch the handle. The tool rest and the Tormek knife clamp makes easy work of this. Swap over back. There we get the Trizac A30. This is equivalent to 600 to 800 grit. The Trizacs work slightly differently to the traditional grit. But they cut so quickly and so fast, and they run ultra cool. There's no heat on those blades at all. I suppose if you held it there, it would finish up over. This is the 1.1200 grit A16. These just take the polish on the blade. The blade is essentially sharp at 120, but we just refining that edge, making it smoother and smoother, which in essence gives us a sharper feel, cuts things, slices smoother. So now just get rid of the burr. That's my canvas belt. Get it on any cargo pants. That's a leather belt. Found that in a charity shop. There's the rest of the belt that I glued to a piece of wood. You can even still see the holes in there. And let's see if we can find a piece of paper quickly. There's a whole Boots magazine. Do this for fun now. What? Oh, look at it. It's better.
I laughed so much.
Okay, let's see how it cuts. There's a toilet roll, cardboard, chops left, tomato, nice.
Is that you? You
Leave
doing
a
that?
comment.